Have you ever made a song about your ex?
Ayikhona mina ngijoli bafethu. Okay. I've never.
Okay. Yeah. Do you even have an ex? Let's skip that one. Okay. You already know what it is. That's what's up, Bonakadalamang.
Yeah, sure. Semi 85.
Papa Slay.
Eshu nangazi vele yimi vera bafethu. Yimi president esetrato ngikushipia nangidlala nomuntu.
Eshu.
You know, it's your boy DJ Popos here. Renata PT.
What do you have to say? Nah, nigga, they don't have to know me. Yeah. We have DJ Popos. Eshu. At the side, another Papa Slay, another Semi-T. Only those guys were already. Yeah, he's in though. Here I have Popos music. And this part of the gang. These guys make really, ask me. I'm one of those guys that say, these guys really make dope music. Dope music. I don't want to lie about that. No cap. Same as shout out to Flex T, shout out to Junk Bros, shout out to all the niggas that are pushing it, making really dope sound. Okay, so guys, this is a point where I'm gonna ask you questions. It's just gonna be like pop out of nowhere. Give me random questions, Gaspedi. Random. I get to random king, Gaspedi. Random question. Oh, Gaspedi, I get to king. Question G for ultra. Question G for ultra. This is the work of God. Yeah, I was on a learn out here beat.
That's why we're music is
Yeah, music is a calling. We take a mood. So yeah, this is the song that what a song. This is music. This is a question rap I get simple. This is my favorite. Yeah, I get to make a song. I'm gonna ask you one by one. Have you ever made a song about your ex?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a year, but then Nacy X by that time. Sure.
I've heard this before. First, he said the same thing on our last interview. He said, yeah, I get you.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'm coming to you, Papa Slay. Have you ever made a song
I've never made a song about my ex.
About your ex?
Never.
Okay.
Never made that.
Have you ever made a song about your ex?
Ayikhona mina ngijoli bafethu. Okay. I've never.
Okay. Yeah. Do you even have an ex? Let's skip that one. Have you ever made a song about your ex, DJ Popos?
No.
For real?
No.
I feel like Popos is capping. Why is so like you're not wearing a cap, but there's this cap face on you?
No, man. I'm telling the truth.
Ubalala nito Popos.
True.
It's true.
Yeah, man, true.
Mafuri. Mafura. He never made a song about his ex. Okay. You don't believe it too? I don't believe it. I don't believe. Popos has been making music for a while now, so that's why I say I don't believe. I don't believe it.
Since high school.
Since high school?
Yes.
Do you have an ex? Yes. Okay, I'm not gonna ask you how many exes because let's say what like DJ.
No.
Hey, artist. I was gonna ask you how many exes do you have, but when you are like sure sa go pola le bino. If it you say you must go ka mo go. O ba le ke le ka maoto bana. We are loyal. Artist loyal. O ba bona banyana kwa ba thala lao.
Arefo for like
just span. Okay, since you bolela so, what is king in train gore e go tsosha fruwe ya go pusha gore do music. there's a lot of things. I want to make a song about my ex. Ex so
Okay.
in the morning. I can talk Papa Slay.
Some at home, mention no music is a calling. I don't know it fan. So every time when I wake up, Nale flash ready next door, you know. Yeah, so every time I get over like Honogwa sound or sound did put a studio in detail hot and jag, yam pija, on Gusisa. Yeah. So I get over that always on open or something I'm showing. This thing I'm going to go making Gashakanya Sela and then Nala Flash Rakopan or Guy Hopopos on with this something such a yana, I got a heat to a yeah.
So you have worked with Flash T.
Yeah, I'm working with Flash T, I'm working with DJ Popos, Tonic, Mavi. I'm working with many people. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah,
I can say everybody knows what music is a feeling. So when I do Jelore, I'm a producer, I'm a vocalist at the same time. But that's all I can say, I'm an artist. So you know what feeling that you feel like work by that day, King Delore you can create out of art I'm told. Yeah,
yeah, that's what's up. King and Dole Shangamasa. Apart from barging, clock or ringing, apart from Alamo to Shaking Kamasa, and music,
Motivation, just motivation.
Yeah, you are
from other
motivated.
artists, yeah.
Other artists.
Just to make
That's
my
nice.
people
That's
happy,
one nice.
you know.
Yeah.
Just pushing through.
Yeah. Purpose.
You know the vibes.
Yeah, you know the vibes.
You
So,
know.
Kumaravich.
Yes.
Kumaravich. Purpose to Shaggy beat. Purpose already beat. The beat. Okay, so this question is but I'm gonna ask it anyway. King in Tofina Garanga Purpose Ajira right now. It's different. Right? We already know he makes hits, he makes music. He makes what? It's different. You tangoro why hona go ba nga ka no ba sa hona but king into fina ka purpose nga ba ijira or ka ijira.
Not up to so far. Popos is good, Popos is talented. But then I feel like he needs me when torn. But all the time. When torn. Every time when he's doing music, I must be there.
Yeah,
When
this guy
Like-
is
like we must make music.
Same
we
good,
must
you got director music. Let me say, go pitch a choir from school.
Yeah.
Music ritual on a whole.
Letswalo na go.
Yeah, from school, ro pitch school choir, let's say me, le popos up. And I think same right for like every time popos are music, I will learn. Because on a more logo, man, voice in at least yeah.
Okay, I feel you. King into fina ka purpose nga ba ijira msa.
Aims are like
Anything.
anything. I think like you should have been like a director or something. Something like I don't know.
Directing movie. Haya. Adama no nga be purpose a director ma movie. Haya. As we were saying, I'm here with Purpose Music. Okay, now for something like what I feel like Purpose should be doing. Dancing while DJing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one of the things I can say. He's
Yeah.
a really good DJ, but a lot of people don't know he can dance.
Yeah. Nobody
Yeah.
knows.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
then let me
He's
tell you-
also a good dancer.
Let me tell you about a producer.
It's just me.
I'm gonna a producer when he's busy DJing there, his songs especially. You find a way that this music exclusive. Lena will feel because it's the first time alone. Maybe I know feel like I'm home.
I feel you. But do you know what if I got DJ a dancer? Obviously, he's gonna take the crowd away.
Yes.
First of all, go tsoga di video mo, go tsoga di nye. Guys, what I want to tell you is that do something it will attraction ya, but your music can be dope. But I see you go shafela di chiang attention ya batho. And so I'm not saying strip. Let's go shala ka mapona. Don't strip. There's a lot of things you can do. Just go in there, go in the studio and trying to brainstorm on something. What is it? What is it that we can do? People will know this is us. Immediately pull up, it rings like this is the guy. What was you writing? Hey, everyone I check out these days is a DJ. But what makes you different? That's the thing. Yeah, you have to be unique. So okay, I'm not here to give you guys inspiration or what because I'm not a DJ, but I love DJs, not Jamachita. I'm kidding. Okay, we're to all the DJs. So yeah, we're here with Purpose Music. You guys the role job fapana obviously. I get. Yeah. So okay. What is your role? You in the Purpose Music Entertainment.
Yo,
Yeah.
I sing, I produce,
DJ.
I DJ. Yeah, but I love DJing.
Yeah.
that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I rata go DJ.
Yeah.
As Papa Slay,
Now I'm a vocalist.
vocalist.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Same thing here.
Same thing here. Should I ask you what like, come on, nigga, what are you? Ujirang, dama nigga bona asne mo hola mo Purpose Music. Alinga ko marang. Ujirang mo in the Purpose Music.
A lot of things.
Yeah.
DJ.
Yeah. Producer, DJ,
What else?
Vocalist.
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 I can sing.
Yeah, I know. I know. Okay, this nigga say he can sing, can sing. Okay, I'm not gonna say sing here. Yeah, we don't want people that sing.
Yeah, I get nothing.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna let that sing.
That's
Okay,
where
so
I would ignore
look at you guys. Hey, namare begir le kamaraka.
I'm so gas very good.
So la motsapare o kila azanga jira like sa ga go kosha.
Nna ke bona or maybe we yeah, ke go but then beat. A re hlalosa ka mo.
Because yeah, most of the
Like
time
when
we're
we beat o bona.
Okay, I'm gonna continue this interview with Purpose Music. That's what's up. Yeah, you guys should say your handles, or you're gonna say it the next time I see you, because we have to continue this interview right now, or another day. So we're gonna end this. So shout out to Purpose Music. You can follow them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, wherever, all the platforms. So yeah, YouTube also. Check out his music. This is DJ Purpose Music, all with his guys. All DJs and vocalistic. That's what's up. You already know the show is Kona Kanalaman.
Bona ling hage, daddy phone ling shoot, kitchen follow them mag, I got a dream in Josie, Limbo Monadi, Sipune Mashadi, Uzum told him Landi, Mashadi Mahoe, Habuku Tadibadi, Makunita Maraki, the Goshana Gomashadi, Bahomani Kahoro, Edi Mukashake, Ino Plague Mishare, Eli Nagalin Kitalezama Linzame, 85 Talente, always go strate, Big Bay, go strate.